So I wanted to show you guys the before of this bathroom and come back to show you guys when I'm all done. But I've got to get some cleaning done in it because it needs to be cleaned. So I'll be back in a bit. We've officially cleaned the bathroom. So now it is time to decorate. All right. All right. Are you guys ready for the big reveal? Let's do this. All right. So let's turn some lights on. So this is the awesome shower curtain with matching bath mat. The towels. Now, you guys don't, judge me, but I'm not ironing no shower curtain or towels. I am going to make a little design here with some ribbon or flowers or something like that. I'll post a picture of some ideas I got off of Pinterest here. So, I put some matching hand soaps. That's some flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to get a bath rug, a long one, to go across here, or either two small ones for the double sinks. But I'm going to have to go to another store. I just didn't have time today. And then the towel, I'll do something over here with this design as well. But this is the final reveal. So, tell me guys what you think. What should I do next? It's not finished, but it was enough to get it started for a company that's coming tomorrow, and I just needed to clean and get it straight so they can use it. So give me any ideas of what you would do differently. All right, leave it in the comments below. And if you're not already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Surprise! I'm back. I know I told you guys that I was done with that bathroom, but I figured I'd show you guys the other guest bathroom. This one is not Afrocentric decor. I just took the Afrocentric shower curtain I had in here down. I will upload that when I redo this bathroom again. I usually try to change my bathroom decor out maybe every 3 to 4 months. So this is what I've done this time. I just love monogram stuff. So as you can see, the shower curtain is initial L. All right. Sorry. Like to have a little bit of toilet spray there because nobody likes a stinky bathroom. And this is the bathroom. I didn't do anything with this towel, just brown. And these are also from the dollar store. Live, love, laugh, with a little tea light in the inside. And since I am doing this for my guests, I wanted to show you guys what I do for my little guests. I like to bring them a little gift box. And usually I print it in color, but I didn't have color printer today, so it's black and white. It's a little welcome box for them. And if you open it, I have different stuff each time, so you never know what you're gonna get. Life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. So this is a shower puff, and I put some toothpaste and some shower gel in there. And I usually like to put a little snack in there as well. So I'll find a little Debbie cake or something like that to put it in there. Or if they have the late night munchies and don't want to go downstairs to the kitchen. And then I have a little sign I printed out. I found this on like Google Images or whatever. It's a little welcome sign that tells you what the internet Wi-Fi password is and the internet name. So that's my little kit for those who like to come and visit me. I do live like on a total different coast from all my family members. So I like to have, I don't have company often, so I like to make them feel welcome when they come. And this is what I do. I print them out a little welcome box and a little welcome kit, and I like to make them feel at home. And I don't have many family friends where I live either, because I live out in the boondocks of LA County. And they don't want to drive this far. So I don't have many people come visit. Isn't she so cute? She's there with her little daughter. So I hope you guys get some ideas for bathroom decor or welcome box gifts for your guests if they have some guests coming. So now we will end the video with a like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys.